This show is so cool. I've been waiting all day for this episode. I don't want it to end yet.
Lily, it's already late. You've been watching TV for a long time now. Time to rest.
Sweetie, it's bedtime. You need to rest your eyes and get some sleep.
Mom, please. Just 5 more minutes. This part is really important. I promise I'll go to bed right after this. Please don't make me turn it off now, Mom.
I know you like it, but it's time to stop. It's time to stop. I want you to stay healthy.
It's not fair. Other kids can stay up late. Why can't I? I'm not sleepy at all. I wish I could watch TV all night and no one stops me. Whoa. What's happening? This feels really strange. Why am I in the kitchen? I was just in bed, wasn't I?
Dinner will be ready soon. Everything looks normal, doesn't it, Lily?
Why do you look so scared? Come closer to me, sweetie.
Mom, your face looks different. You don't look like my mom at all.
Don't be scared. I'm here to make you happy. Take this. You can watch as much as you want. Whatever you like.
Really? This is awesome! Thank you so much, Mom. Yes! This is the best part. I knew I shouldn't have stopped earlier. This tastes so good. I don't even feel tired anymore.
Eat more. Don't stop. It's still early. Just enjoy yourself.
I wish every night could be like this. No one's stopping me. Just fun.
Lily, this isn't good for you. It's already really late, my child.
Too much TV and snacks will hurt your body, Lily.
Stop lying to her. She's happy right now. Look, she's smiling.
Real happiness doesn't come from bad habits, Lily.
But satisfaction does. And that's what you want, right?
Why are you both fighting? I don't understand. I just want to have fun. Maybe just a little more. Why do I feel so tired all of a sudden?
That's what happens when you don't know when to stop.
I'm scared. I don't like this anymore. Give me back my real mom.
Put these on. You need to see the truth behind the illusion.
Okay, I'll try. So, you're not my real mom.
I am your bad habits. I give you what you think you like.
I'm the one who truly cares about you. I protect your future.
You can't take her away. She belongs to me. Habits will control her.
This isn't over. But today, you made the right choice.
It was just a dream. But it felt so real, Mom.
Are you still awake, Lily? What's wrong, my sweetie?
Mom, you're really important to me. I'm sorry for being stubborn. Thank you for always taking care of me and reminding me. I understand now.
I just want what's best for you. Now sleep, my little warrior.
I understand now. I won't let bad habits control me anymore, Mom.
Sleep well, my little girl. I love you so much.
Good night, Mom. I love you so much, Mommy.
A new day begins with a healthy and good start.
I love you so much, Mom.
Look, I woke up early without being called.
I love you too.
Summer.
Sometimes loving someone means saying no.
I'll read a bit before breakfast. It's way more fun than TV.
You've learned to master yourself, Lily. Great job.
Thank you for saving me for that habit monster, Mom.
Today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom. Love the right way.
I feel wonderful after having enough deep sleep.
We'll go to the park today as a reward for being so good.
Remember, your health and soul are the most precious things.
Yes, from now on, I'll only watch TV during certain times, Mom.
Good habits are like flowers. They need daily care.
Sleeping early to make tomorrow great. I did it, Mom.
I'm so proud of you, Lily. You've truly grown up.
I love being out here more than sitting in front of the TV.
Sometimes I say no to protect your lasting joy later on.
Thanks for being my glasses of truth when I was lost. This world outside is the best movie I've ever seen. I won't let bad habits take away these moments ever again.
You're helping so much. Thanks, Lily.
My pleasure, Mom.
Happiness begins with small, daily disciplines.
Good night, everyone, and have great habits. Bye!
My eyes feel so comfortable today, not sore like before.
If you don't rest, Lily, your eyes will get very weak.
I'll prove to the doctor and Mom that I can do it. Sorry, guys. I have to sleep on time to stay healthy. See you tomorrow. Refusing bad habits feels quite powerful, actually.
I saw you decline that late night game invite. I'm so glad.
Late night yesterday takes away the energy of today. I feel like my brain works much faster when I get enough sleep.
Lily has improved so much in focus and spirit.
Trust me, bad habits look fun, but they are monsters. Lily's right. Playing like this is way more fun.
This is the best time for us to really talk to each other.
Okay. Mom, your stories are much better than cartoons. I feel like I'm growing faster because I sleep early, Mom. You guys should sleep early like me to stay healthy and smart.
Happiness is simply building good habits together every day. Hang in. Sleep well, future leaders. See you tomorrow.